We're here in Gothenburg, Sweden for EVS38. There's a lot of smart technology behind me here, but I'm curious, what do people think about EV charging installation and maintenance? Let's go ahead and find out. Okay, if I say EV charging installation and maintenance, what are like some of the first things that really come to your mind?
When it comes to installing and maintenance, what we hear from our customers, they want the response, they want the solution from the installer, not only come and install, but also give them like a long-lasting service.
They want to do it fast, but most important is not to do it very fast, it's to do it right and fast.
It needs to go quick and it needs to be intuitive. The electrician typically wants to get finished with the job and it needs to work. It needs to be robust in the end. And that's especially for maintenance. Ideally, the electrician shouldn't need to come back. It needs just to work for the user.
We believe it's better to have maybe a few minutes in every step to double check everything. When you start learning more and more, these companies do it better and better, but at the beginning it's important to take a little more time to do it right.
So these are two absolutely essential topics for us. So both easing the installation for our customers and speeding it up as much as possible is really paramount. And what we typically do is we really try to ease the installation for our customers as much as possible. For example, prefabricating units in order to be installed extra fast at the customer site, because time is also money.
Complicated, first of all, I would say. Providing the hardware and everything like that is usually quite okay, but when it comes to installation maintenance, to streamline these kind of things is quite complicated.
I think of the issues mainly from the end user's perspective, and I think they probably care the most about the post-sale and the maintenance side of things. There needs to be clear structures and we need to be able to meet these requirements.
It should be easy and fast. The mobility business is not yet very big, which means that sometimes they don't have the granularity to be very fast fixing the chargers that are broken.
When it comes to maintenance with our products at least, we do most of it remotely. So we keep track of our installed equipment all the time.
We don't have people internally that do installation, so we have made a network of partners where we do installations across Europe or across the Nordic countries as well. Installers and an installation network is super important. Monitoring. Here we can see many failures or many issues that are with the chargers, but we cannot see everything. No. So if there's something wrong that we cannot see, then the installer will find it when they're out there.
It should be fast, effective, and easy for the installer who really do the service and installation.